ABC 7, #1 in news, #1 in Southern California.
Experience looks great on your resume, but perhaps not so good when it shows on your face. So many job seekers are looking for ways to turn back the clock without the cost of plastic surgery. Eyewitness News reporter Leslie Miller shows us how some people are putting their best face forward.
Over the past year, Dr. Alexander Rivkin has noticed an increase in the number of patients coming in for cosmetic procedures to give them an edge in a competitive job market, whether they're looking for a job or trying to hold on to the one they have.
They are doing what they can to enhance their appearance because it's part of business. You have to present your best face.
Dr. Rivkin specializes in non-surgical cosmetic treatments, such as Botox and facial fillers. They're less expensive and less invasive than surgery, and there's no downtime required.
With a recession, people's funds are a little bit limited, and so they can't go out and do surgery, or they can't go out and do invasive procedures.
His patient, 38-year-old Kristen Fisher, is a television talk show producer. Twice a year, she gets Botox around the eyes to smooth out the crow's feet. But now she wants a more energized look.
Once we get into our mid to late 30s, we think about maintenance. It's not necessarily changing the way you look, it's about maintaining what you have.
Dr. Rivkin recommends injecting Botox in Kristen's forehead to help lift the eyebrows, and injecting filler in her upper cheek and lower eye areas to make her appear more rested.
All it's going to do is just fill in the areas that over time have become a little bit thin. It's going to replenish that volume.
A survey by the American Academy of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery shows 75% of doctors say they've treated patients who've requested surgery to stay competitive in the workplace. But in a recession, many are pinching pennies, and procedures such as a facelift can cost between $6,000 and $12,000. But Botox ranges between $200 and $400. Fillers can cost up to $1,000, although they can last a year or more.
It's just a more energized look.
Yeah.
Money well spent, according to Kristen Fisher, who considers putting her best face forward a smart investment.
And it's really not invasive. I don't feel like it changes your appearance. I think it just kind of brightens your appearance.
In Westwood, Leslie Miller, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
We are now going to check the appearance of the weather.
The weather is so good. I have an appearance.